My God. This is an AZCustomz official.
I got you an extra large one. Try it in the bathroom, see if he'll probably shrink a little bit. Hell yeah.
Man, look at this. AZCustomz. Show you around the city, I need you right here beside me. That is tough. For your body, I wanna know where your mind is. Do you think you like me? Running from my love, I don't know why you trying to fight.
We getting our hands dirty today. Feels good.
Left some tape right there, Jesse boy. There you go.
Mexico, they be copying out my style, catch them taking notes. It's my time, so I'm taking over. I had to boss up, tired of taking orders. With AZCustomz, putting starlights on a Range Rover. Prestige designs, no longer shopping at Fashion Nova. I'm getting faded in the stool with the homie Ogre. You fuck with me, I swear to God, it is game over. You fuck with me, baby, I'ma show you the takeover. I'm taking over in the city that I'm from. From Arizona, it's the Valley of the Sun.
Wanna see what's good?
Damn, they look clean already.
Yeah, look mad clean.
So I'm curious. I do purified water from start to finish and no cost to you. Nothing. Okay. We're just doing content
Yeah, we're
for
just
our page and stuff. But we're just gonna do the exterior. Yeah. We can do it anywhere. We can do it right now. It will only take like 20 minutes.
Yeah, man, we're busy, but is that your number?
Yeah.
I'll shoot you a text in about 20 minutes, and if you guys want to come over one day like this week and do it, that's fine with me.
What up, guys? It's been a slow work week. We're out here trying to give a free car wash, just promote the business. You know how it goes.
Got it bumping.
Yeah, FaceTime up in Mykonos, I miss a nose. Texas like an alphabet of sex and O's. I'm on the road, I made 100K. I like 100 plays, I rode 100 planes. Yeah, I'm always on my grind.
Can't be fucking with these hoes, where it's getting old.
Loosen up all the dirt.
I've been on the road. I'm from Arizona, but my pops from Mexico. They be copying out my style, catch them taking notes. It's my time, so I'm taking over. I had to boss up, tired of taking orders. With AZCustomz, putting starlights on a Range Rover. Prestige designs, no longer shopping at Fashion Nova. I'm getting faded in the stool with the homie Ogre. You fuck with me, I swear to God, it is game over. You fuck with me, baby, I'ma show you the takeover.
Okay. What up? How you doing? Bow! Oh yeah.
How you doing?
Oh yeah.
We just did the exterior.
Just the exterior today. I got you.
But it's super white now.
Yes.
It's super white. See? Right on time, huh?
Oh yeah, I use purified water. So it's like filtered water. So it like does a big difference when you wash your car.
What's up, guys? Week 3, with AZCustomz. You This is also day 3. We still haven't made no money, but we still have hope. Tomorrow is Thursday. We're wrapping the club, so we have until Saturday to make $2,500. You know, we're getting these deposits. We're actually going to go to a tow right now.
So we closed 2 deals so far. 2 deals.
We closed 2
on
deals.
A Wednesday.
We closed 2 deals on a Wednesday. Monday and Tuesday we're leaving hopeless, but it's okay.
So now we're chasing the money. Alright, so we just picked up the truck. A customer hit us up out of nowhere and he needs their vehicle towed, and we charged them $160.
Hold up. This guy needs his Beamer towed. Don't know where we're going yet. I think we might be going to 10 feet.
Yeah, FaceTime up in Mykonos, I miss a nose. Texas like an alphabet of X and O's. I'm on the road, I made 100K. I like 100 plays, I rode 100 planes. Yeah, I'm always on my grind.
Be fucking with these hoes, where's gang?
Alright, thank you. What are you doing, bro?
Making Josiah's
Making a flyer?
birthday party flyer. Yeah.
Right side.
Yeah. Yeah. You're good.
Alright guys, so we're here. We got getting the Scat pack ready. We're gonna do satin black hood, satin black roof, satin black trunk. Alright guys, so now we had a upsell. Told them that the roof felt bumpy, so now we're smoothing it out. That way, when we put the wrap on, it looks nice and smooth.
Footage, man. That shit gotta grab the GoPro footage.
Alright guys, so we had to do some body work and the wrap, so we charged them $9.50, and earlier we did a tow for $160, and then we got a flat tire and we had to pay $10. There was nothing wrong with it, but now we're gonna detail the Scat.
Never gonna rush, we take it slow though. 1, 2, 3, never gonna look though. Make it clack, shoulda, coulda. Run it back, that's the motor. Never gonna rush, we take it slow though. 1, 2, 3, never gonna look though. Make it clack, shoulda, coulda. Run it back, that's the motor. What it do? What it do? What's the move? I know that I be out, but I be coming back to you. She wanna know my love, but sister got she has to prove. I'm too busy getting dove, I don't got no time to lose. Sipping on the Henny, like to mix it with the juice. Everybody switching up, got me watching who I choose. Fuck it up and make it clap, let me see you getting loose. Pocket full of blues when I'm walking in my truths.
I'm a rapper, not a rapper.
I'm about to pull up. Just give me 10 and I'll be on the way. Ain't getting fake, stupid. Never gonna rush, we take it slow though. 1, 2, 3, never gonna look though. Make it clack, shoulda, coulda. Run it back, that's the motor. Never gonna rush, we take it slow though. 1, 2, 3, never gonna look though. Make it clack, shoulda, coulda. Run it back, that's the motor.